Hello, my friend. Will here with FXAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the group. Welcome to the Signal service. And if you're watching this on YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the FXAUUS MACD signals indicator onto your chart, how to actually use it, and how to set it up for push notifications to receive the actual signals when they happen to your mobile phone, and also how to set it up to send them to your Gmail account. Okay, so there are a few things you're going to need. I recommend setting up a new Gmail account just for this indicator, and you will also need to download the MetaQuotes or the MT4 app onto your phone, okay, whether it be iPhone or Android, and you will need to locate your MetaQuotes ID number. Okay, so your MetaQuotes ID number will be, if you go into, once you've downloaded the app onto your phone, you want to go to the settings, obviously log into your trading account, go to settings, and then locate. Once you're in settings, just scroll down and you'll see messages. You'll then see your MetaQuotes ID. Okay, you will need that. Okay, so pay close attention to what I'm saying in this video. It's very, very important if you want to start taking these kind of trades manually. Okay, so first off, I'm already guessing you know how to download the indicator onto your platform. If not, simply go to the members area, save the indicator onto your desktop, go back into MT4, go through files, go to open data folder, open, go to MQL4 and paste the indicator into your indicators, then simply restart your MT4 platform. Okay, so before I actually share with you how to actually set up the indicator, what we want to do, we want to go to journal and we want to just make sure you are get it connected to your Gmail account. Okay, so we want to go to, first off, we want to go to tools. You want to set up a new Gmail account, or if you want to use your existing one, it's okay. Okay, so you want to go to options up the top here, tools. You want to go to options, and you want to go right across to where it says email. Obviously, you want to select enable. Okay, so select enable. The SMTP server for Gmail is smtp.gmail.com. Okay, next you want to put in your whichever Gmail account you're using. So you want to make sure you put in your Gmail account here, your password, okay, and then down here is so who you want to, when you send the email, I just use my email address and just send it to myself. Okay, if you have a different email you want to send it to, you can do that, no problem. Okay, before we actually select OK there, what you want to do is go over to Gmail, okay, and you want to make sure this is turned on. Okay, so you want to go up here. Where is it? You want to go to settings first. You want to go to select settings. Okay, so sorry, not settings. You want to go to your account here. Okay, so select your account, and you want to go down. You want to scroll down to security. Okay, so make sure security's down to security. Okay, and you want to scroll down to where it says less secure apps. You want to make sure that's on. Okay, so it's normally off. So just make sure that's on. Okay, you need that on. Otherwise, you won't be able to log into your MT4 won't be able to log into your account to send the signals, send the emails. Okay. Next, go back to your MT4 platform. Select OK. Then restart your trading platform. Go to options again, and then just select test. Okay. So test, and you'll see here the journal. It should be sent. Message being sent. You'll go back to your Gmail account, and you will see there, test message. Okay, will have come in. Okay, and when we're going to get a signal, you can see here, this is the type of signal we will get, AUD by divergence alert. Okay, when we're using the indicator. Okay, next you want to set it up for push notifications, which is, again, you want to go across to notifications. You want to select enable push, notify of trade transactions if you want. So if you're using a EA, you can turn that off. But enable push notifications, and remember at the start of the video I told you to locate your MetaQuotes ID number that's on your phone, whether it be Android or iPhone. Simply enter that in there and you can test. Once you've done that, just select test, and you can hear I just got a notification on my phone from that. Okay, so make sure you put that in there and then select OK. Pretty simple. Okay, and that's how you enable push notifications on your phone. That's pretty one. And anytime a signal will come up, you will get a notification to your phone. Okay, so now let's learn how to actually use okay, so we're going to show you how to use the actual indicator for your trading. Okay, so each week you're going to, well, sorry. Okay, go to the indicator. Okay, we've got the FXAUUSD MACD signals. We've got it loaded onto the chart anyway. You want to go to edit, okay, and you want to go to common, okay. You can allow modification of signal settings, is okay. Okay, so this is the settings you want here. Okay, so divergence type, obviously with our method we're using classic. Okay, classic, and so, threshold and pips, like I said, you want to 30 to 40 pips. We'll just say 40 pips here for the settings, and then the time frames like we talked about in the setup video. Okay, so we'll select that's false, and the time frames we want to look for is the 4 hour. And next month when I'm starting the daily signal service in a few weeks, we'll be able to use this for the daily trades. Okay, it'll be different settings, but when we start offering that service, you will know. So for this year, we need the H4 and H1. Okay, and you just need to load it onto the one chart, and it will scan these both time frames, no problem. Okay, now next down here, you want which alert you want to use. You want to, if you want to use both, you can use both. Alert push. Okay, so it will simply, once you have a signal, it will alert you by your phone, telling you where it is. Okay, and also by email. Okay, the push notifications are probably the best. Everyone nowadays has got a smartphone, so you can simply just have the notification come to your phone. But it is very, very important to either run the MT4 platform has to be open all the time, or it needs to be running on a VPS. So it's completely up to you what you want to do, either VPS or have your computer running 24/7. Okay, so you're enabled to receive the signals via your phone. Once you're able to receive the signal, you can simply enter the trade into the platform. Okay. Next, if you just leave it like that, the indicator is not going to search for anything. The reason being, because it needs where to start looking for signals. Okay, where to start actually giving signals. If you just leave it the way it is, it'll just start giving signals anytime they appear on a time frame. What we need to do now is go over to our signals. Okay, and you can see here, oh, this was last week, Aussie USD 64.8. Okay, so this is what we want to put a line at 64.8. Okay, on our charts. Okay, so we'll just go to higher time frames. We will go horizontal line property, and obviously we're looking to sell this week, so we'll just select here and 64.8, or sorry, last week, and we're going to go to common, and here what we need to put in is the prefix RES. Okay, RES. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so whenever price is approaching within 40 pips of that line, it will start, the indicator will start looking for divergence signals around there. Obviously you can use this for any type of support and resistance or any type of trading, the MACD divergence signal is very, very powerful. If you're trading support and resistance, trading supply and demand, you can program it at your levels there, start searching for signals around there. But this is how we are going to use it for our manual signals entry. Okay, people using the copy client, copy service. I have this set up with the MACD divergence. It's the actual EA version of this. Okay, so if you want to access it, there's an upgrade option in the members area. If not, just use the indicator. You'll be able to get the messages directly to your phone. Once you get the message, just simply stick on the trade. Okay, once it gives you a divergence at 1 hour, 4 hour, just simply put on the trade. Very, very simple. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com or just ask me in the Telegram group. I'm looking forward to hearing the results. If you're not a member of the Signal service yet, you can simply click the link below or just contact me at will@fxas.com. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Will over to fxas.com. Oh, sorry, one more thing. So if you're looking to buy also, so instead the signals for buy, what you'll need to put in is your horizontal line at whatever price you're going, but the prefix that needs to go in here is SUP. Okay, so when you're looking to sell, it's RES. When you're looking to buy, it's SUP. Okay, so say we were putting in the euro CAD, we'd have to put the line at 154, or sorry, 1050 or 1504, and then put in the prefix on the platform in here, SUP. So that'll start looking for signals around that line. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, just let me know. Looking forward to hearing and seeing about your results with this new manual entry process. And yeah, happy trading. Thanks for watching. Will over to fxas.com.